Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is an unboxing. Actually, I kind of unboxed it for my family. Um, the Juvia's Place Halloween mystery box. So there we go. Get it out. So it's a pretty small box for 20 bucks, but I actually like quite a few products in this box. So let's unbox it for you guys. So, the first thing was, trying not to, was on top, was this matte black, doo-doo, lippy. Should I try it on? Should I try a black lippy on? We'll see. We'll see if I try that on. Next is Royal. It's in this beautiful carton case box. Just waking up and doing my makeup. Hungry and oh, I think this is a blue eyeliner. That is really pretty. I love the packaging. So this is in Royal, the Nubian eyeliner. Ooh, it's blue. I like it. Ooh, that's beautiful. So $20, and I had used a coupon Trend Mood. I'll link everything down below if I remember, because it should have the box still available. And smudge proof, 12-hour long wear, and color payoff. This is a really good eyeliner. I'm so excited. So yeah, and it came with the Glow 2 by Juvia's Place. It's a highlighter. So I thought this was really neat. So it looks like that. I haven't tried any of their eyeliners, which that's gorgeous. Highlighters or lippies. I only tried their palettes. This is what it looks like. It's gorgeous. It's a baked highlighter. That's what it looks like. Kind of swatched. Oh, that's gorgeous. It's really light on the skin. I like that. Beautiful. And the last one, so you get 4 things. The last one I kind of like unboxed. But this is the festival. And this is one of them that I kind of wanted because of the color story. So I'm excited to try this one out. It's very colorful. I love the color story. Isn't that pretty? It's unique. I needed more like reddish berry tone. And then this orange is gorgeous, that pink. Oh, all of the colors is just beautiful. I don't know how to say their names. But here are the names. If I can fit like all of them on. That is gorgeous. So we have the first one. Very nice matte red. I want to see how it, like I always see how the coverage is on a tattoo. So that's what the first one is. This one is like so smooth. It's like a pearl white. And then an orange. All of these are really nice quality. So far as I'm swatching them, they're really nice. And that orange is beautiful. Okay, second roll. This is like a peachy matte color. Very nice swatched on my finger. Okay, and then we have the pink one and like a yellow mustardy color. Those are beautiful, very pigmented. I love Juvia's Place formula. They are really good. And then the last row, again, super buttery, smooth. Oh, I love that teal. Like a turquoise color. Isn't that pretty? Love the color story. So I guess I'm gonna be doing an eye look. So I'll be right back. So I tried wiping this off with a makeup wipe and that's what it looks like. So it's pretty nice and decent. I primed my eyes already. And for Kathy, I have this Random, it's called Random app. And then with all my palettes that I add, I use Spin the Wheel. So I use this one and I go down here and I punch in the numbers, of course, as you see every day. And I'm gonna do palette bingo, probably 5 shadows from here. I'll have my phone pick and see what my phone picks. So I gotta get it ready. Okay. So 1 through 9, we're gonna have 5 shades. 9, 4, 8. 2 more shades. 1 and 7. Here's what it looks like. My color story that I'll be using today's look. I'm excited. So I'm going to use this peachy orange color right here. Very cute color. I don't have enough of these in my collection. So I was excited to get this palette because I always look at people's collections. I'm always nosy on the internet, YouTube, looking at everybody's collection, and I was like, ooh, I need to get that. So I'm excited. I got this. Do you think $20 was a good deal for 4 products? And are you gonna get the box, or did you already order it? Because on my Instagram, I was like, posted like I ordered the mystery box, and I'm like excited that I got this palette, even though I love palettes. Getting up there in my palette, so I really need to cut down, but it's like I can't stop. So I'm using this like dollar store brush from like the 99-cent store, and it does okay. It's just a lot of fluffy. It needs to be packed more because it's just too flimsy, I think, for my liking. But it's okay for $1. I don't like to spend more than $1 on brushes because brushes do get ruined in my collection. So that's a good amount of pigment right there. I'm gonna go in with the shade right here. I don't know their names, sorry. But do you guys have this palette, or are you thinking about getting this palette? I think, does anybody get like the same mystery box, or is it different? I don't know. This is my first mystery box from Juvia's Place, so I'm excited. For $20, to me, isn't bad at all. I'm excited to try that highlighter. It looks beautiful. And that eyeliner, wow. Gorgeous. Going in with this red right here next to the black, like charcoal color. Very beautiful. So let's see how this looks next to this beautiful red and how they blend. Once you put more of the color on, it gets more pigmented, which is really good. So I'm just blending those in together. Got a piece of hair. That's one of the reasons I had to cut my hair, is because I shed. And it was weighing down my hair, how the length is laying down, flattening my hair on top, and I needed more of, because of my, I'm losing hair a lot because of the COVID. I'm just losing so much hair every time I take a shower every day. I'm just twirling my hair and it comes out like, it's not fun. Please be safe out there. Like, do not get COVID. It was the worst 2 weeks. Like, knowing that you lost your taste and smell is still the worst, because I still like Taco Bell I had last night. Lettuce just tastes disgusting. Dark soda tastes disgusting. And some people, I guess, don't ever get their smell and taste back. I'm starting to get more scent back, but it's not enough to fully recover, because I do miss tasting and smelling anything. Like, I miss trying my perfumes on. I haven't been wearing perfume lately because I just can't smell. So sad. That's what it's looking like so far. Going in with this shade. I was going to do this shade and this shade, but I think I'm going to want to just do this shade on the rest of the lid. And then use that turquoise color on the bottom. Sometimes the red don't look good on the lower lash. To me, it don't look good on. So I'm just gonna go in that. I think that's pretty. Okay, now I'm going in with this color right here. The rest of the underline. What do you think about this palette? Are you gonna get it? I think this palette retails for $20 of its own, so for this box is pretty good. I don't know how much, any other product is, but yeah, looks beautiful. I'm gonna go in with this eyeliner in the waterline and see how that turns out. I love colored eyeliner, and that's pretty. Kind of blends in with the shadow. It doesn't look too bad, actually. That's what it looks like. I typically don't wear black, but this looks really nice. I had to work with it though, because it goes on my teeth. I don't know. It went on my teeth, and then I had to make sure it went on good over in the corners. It's okay. It's okay. So yeah. It's pretty nice. It dried down pretty good. At first it looks like lip gloss, but other than that, it dried down pretty good. It's a little messy, so you gotta work with it, and it gets all over if you try to work with it. messy now. It's like, so I don't highly recommend the lippy. It is a little messy. And I keep applying the lippy, but see how it's like a gloss almost, and then it dries down. It's like you gotta fix it always, but it is fun to try. I do like the eyeliner, and the eyeshadow, really good. Even though my mouth is messed up now because I tried that on. And then this is so gorgeous. So I'm gonna apply more. That is a gorgeous look, even though I have already a lot on. It's not bad at all. I really do like that. So I'm excited this came with the highlighter because I always wanted to try their highlighter. So that's what it's looking like. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. I did highly recommend this palette. It's beautiful. I do like this so far, even though it's on top of others. And the eyeliner, I highly recommend. It is really nice. It's staying on pretty good. So I like that. So for 3 out of 4, I like. This I'll play more with because I do like it with this eye look. It's fun. I don't know. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.